Hello everyone, it's Leandra here from Tynker. This week, our team has chosen a special selection of community highlights, starting with Rythm Slicer by First Hand Shelf. Looking at First Hand Shelf's code, we see set blocks and if touching blocks. Make sure not to let any monsters pass. Our next project is Solar System Scale by Mysterious College. Looking at their code, we see glide blocks and draw line blocks. In this remake of our Tynker tutorial, they created a great video. This project is Dress Up Girl by Mild Home. In this project, we see a lot of switch to costume blocks. This project has amazing artwork, and at the end of your dress up, you can even take a picture. Our final project is Blob Thing by IDK. In this JavaScript project, we see functions and if statements. Try to attack the monster and survive the lava and spikes. Thank you for watching, and as always, sign up to Tynker.com for free to create your very own projects.